Coming to you from the kitchen again. I'm sure there'll be a cameo by Gus at some point. Also, help me get to 1,000, guys, so I can go live with you. And also let me know if you have any kind of song requests. I am working on presentation. This is all pretty raw at the moment, so bear with me while I do some refining. But the best way to refine is to get suggestions from you, the viewers, to let me know what you want to hear, what you want to see, all that good stuff. So here we go. A little long exercise, nothing major. Again, this is raw, so just doing life without a bunch of filters and lenses and inaccurate fuzziness covering up the mess. There's no good way to refine a mess if you're just covering it up, right? So look at it for what it is and go from there. True progress. Been just kind of busting out the old hymns that get stuck in my head from growing up. Lots of different styles, lots of different songs get stuck in my head, so there's more than that. But seems to be my go-to for just kind of warming up and trying to get my lungs back in shape after some damaging events. They will get there, and I can breathe, and with this breath in my lungs, I shall sing and praise the Lord. So here we go. Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home? With Jesus as my portion, my constant friend is He. For His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. For His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. So we'll try one step up. Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home? With Jesus as my portion, my constant friend is He. For His eye is on the sparrow, So I think the step down was definitely a bit easier for me to reach. Working on transitions and range at the moment. Clearly, we need some work. That's okay. Me and Gus are here for it. We're here for the work and the practice and the improvements and the things that come with it. So, thanks for listening. Thanks for stopping in to our kitchen tunes with Gus. And I tried to censor the asterisk. Was a little late to that, but apologies for that, for this. All right, me and Bub with a Stub are out. Catch you next time. Much love, guys.